Meaning of Damon Runyon.
Damon Runyon.
Damon Runyon.
Damon Runyon.
Damon Runyon. Damon Runyon was an American journalist and writer known for his humorous and quirky short stories about the world of New York City's gamblers and gangsters during the 1920s and 1930s. His distinctive style, which included colorful slang and unique character names, influenced many later writers and helped to shape the popular image of the era. Today, Runyon is remembered as a significant figure in American literature and a cultural icon whose legacy continues to inspire and entertain readers around the world.